guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert a horizontal table to vertical table in Excel. Okay. So guys, we can use transpose function for this and how I'm going to show you. So make sure you watch it till the end. So see, I have a very simple table. Okay, very simple. Three columns, column A, three rows I have here, and it's a horizontal table. So like row heading, A, B, C, and data. Okay. Now, if I have to do vertical, then what we want A, B, C, and then data below it. Okay. How we are gonna do? We are gonna select all, and then we are gonna click, gonna go for Control C. That usually copy. Now, let's say you wanna bring this table here. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now? I'm not gonna do Control V. Instead, I'm gonna do Control plus Alt plus V. Remember, Control plus Alt plus V. So instead of paste, it will open paste special as you see. And here I will select transpose. Click on OK. Here you go. You got a vertical table, three columns, four rows. Earlier you had a horizontal table where you had five columns, three rows. So in this way, you can easily convert and use it. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.